أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Um, the representative of Honorable Commissioner Melena Surwali, the Special Advisor of Education Malam Dawo, mai girma madakin Kano, wakilin mai martaba sarki, shugaban SPLC Malam Tijjani Baraya, shugabar ƙungiyar principals ta jihar Kano, Professor or Associate Professor Awal Halilu, shugaban NUT, Prince Ashraf Sanusi Lamido, and every other dignitary present here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am honored to stand before you today as the Senior Special Assistant to the Executive Governor of Kano State on girl child education. Our gathering today is a significant step towards reviving home economics in our girls' senior secondary schools. These subjects, particularly home management, are crucial for empowering girls with essential life skills, self-reliance, and the ability to make informed decisions about their lives. Unfortunately, we've realized that home economic subjects have been declining in our senior secondary schools. And it is our collective responsibility to reverse this trend. As educators, you play a vital role in shaping the minds and futures of our girls. Your participation in this orientation demonstrates your commitment to providing quality education and empowering your students with knowledge and skills necessary to succeed. I am delighted to announce that this event is sponsored by the Executive Governor of Kano State with support from HETAN, Home Economics Teachers Association, ASUS, and KERD. I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to the Executive Governor of Kano State, Abba Gida, Abba Nakuwa, His Excellency Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf. His leadership and vision has been instrumental in promoting girls' education and empowerment in Kano State. My appointment as the SSA on girl child education is a testament to His Excellency's commitment to the development of girl child, and since my inception in office, we've successfully executed several projects, amongst which are we have 88 girl child education advocates across Kano. In each local government, we have 2 girl child education advocates who assist us in delivering any form of girl child development across Kano State. We've also reached over 10,000 girls through mentorship with the SSA GCE, where we, mentor them on self-development and many other stuff that are going to make them stand on their feet. We've also sponsored over 500 girls for Muinganta Sana'amu Conference and Dogaro Depe Conference. We've also had Kano Girl Child Education Summit, where we convene over 1,000 girls and train them, bring professionals and train them on several aspects of development. We've had about 100 buses, Girl Child Initiative buses, across Kano, going around the streets of Kano, picking girls from their homes to schools. The governor also sponsored a lot of girls for a master's degree abroad. We've enrolled over 3,000 girls and even boys in the project we call Ilmi Gida, where myself and my team go around the streets of Kano, picking street girls and boys who walk and enroll them in schools on the spot. Now this year, we're planning to enroll over 15,000 girls and boys back to school. We are planning to reach over 10,000 girls through mentorship in educational zones in Kano. We are also planning to distribute wash materials to a minimum of 10,000 girls. We are as well planning to hold an outstanding girl child education summit and programs just like this one that are going to develop the future of the girl child in Kano State. All thanks to His Excellency Governor Abba for making this possible and for being committed to the development of the girl child in Kano State. I would like to appreciate our main partner for this event, the Home Economics Teachers Association, and all other stakeholders who have contributed to the success of this event. Your participation and commitment to girls' education are invaluable, and we look forward to continued collaboration with you. As we begin this orientation, I wish all participants well and pray that our gathering starts and finishes with tremendous success. Let us work together to revive home economics subjects in our schools and empower our girls with knowledge, skills, and confidence to succeed in all aspects of life. Thank you.